So do you also want that whenever you receive a new form submission from Tally Forms, you automatically send a WhatsApp message like this towards your lead? Then you are on the right video. Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can do this. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can send up to 100 of WhatsApp messages for free using Pabbly Connect and Pabbly Chartflow, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly and you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code which is attached right over here. You can use this amazing discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan using this amazing discount coupon code. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly and let's see how to do this. So to do this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to select it as Tally right over here. So let's just search for Tally and select the same. For the event, we have to select it as new response and click on this connect. We have received the webhook URL, so just copy the webhook URL and open your Tally. Now as you can see that this is the dashboard, and over here I have these 4 forms. So I want to create this automation for this form, so I'm just going to go towards the edit of the same form. After we come on the edit of the same form, we have to go towards this integrations tab, and as you can see I've already added my webhook URL, so I'm just going to delete it right from here. So when you're going to come on the integrations tab, you're going to see a window something like this. You have to look for webhooks and click on this connect for webhooks. For the endpoint URL, just paste the URL which you copied from the workflow and click on this connect. Now you're going to see we have successfully added this webhook URL right over here, and we have created a connection between Tally and Pabbly Connect. But it is saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, we just have to submit this form. So I'm just going to fill in this form right over here, and I'm just going to click on this submit button, and we have submitted this form. So let's just open our workflow, and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here within seconds and in real time. As you can see, we have successfully captured the response. Now we're going to send them an automated WhatsApp message something like this. So to do this, we're just going to close this and click on this add new action step. In order to send automated WhatsApp messages, I'm going to use Pabbly Chartflow. You can use any another platform to write over here like Wati, AI Sensei, WhatsApp Cloud API. Pabbly Connect supports all of them. Now you just have to choose the application. I'm just going to choose Pabbly Chartflow. For the event, I'm just going to choose send text message and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Pabbly Chartflow and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't followed me, click on add a new connection, and it is asking for the token. So to get this token, just click on this Pabbly Chartflow account right over here. It is going to take you to the accounts page. Go on this Pabbly Chartflow and click on this access now button. Once you click on this access now, it is going to open the dashboard of Pabbly Chartflow. After you open the dashboard of Pabbly Chartflow, you have to make sure that you add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chartflow like this. If you haven't added it till now, you're going to see the option of this add WhatsApp number. So click on this button over here. Using this method, you can add your WhatsApp number. If you want a complete tutorial is attached right over here on how to connect your WhatsApp number in Pabbly Chartflow in a few clicks. You can refer to this video and learn how to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chartflow. After you add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chartflow, you are good to go. From the left hand of the side, you have to go on the settings and then towards this API and webhooks. Always the API token, so just copy the API token and paste it right over here in your workflow. After you paste the API token, click on this save, and your Pabbly Chartflow account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. I'll just let you know that we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chartflow as well, and you can also use this discount coupon code to purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Chartflow as well. But first, try both the platforms. If you like it, then you can move on further. Use this amazing discount coupon code to purchase the subscription plan. Alright, so I've already created this connection, so I'm just going to click on the select existing connection and then save. Now Pabbly Chartflow is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking for the recipient WhatsApp mobile number, so I'm just going to enter the mobile number of my lead over here, but we're not going to enter it manually by tapping it like this, but instead we're going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. That's the reason we map this number. And also we're going to map some details in our WhatsApp message. So it is asking for the WhatsApp message, so I'm just going to copy the WhatsApp message from my previous workflow and paste it right over here. In this message I'm also going to map some details like name, so I'm just going to put a slash, search for name, and I'm just going to map the first name right over here, then put a space, then map the last name too. Over here I'm just going to first correct the formatting of this message and then move on further and map the rest of the details. So I'm also going to map the inquiry details like the interest right over here, and also the preferred property. You can also enter the details according to your own choice. I want to keep this detail as dynamic, that's the reason I'm mapping it. The rest of the message template will be same for everyone, only few details will change which are mapped. So I'm just going to map this interest, I'm just going to put a slash and search for the interest, select it. Same I'm just going to do for the preferred property type. Now after completing this WhatsApp message, let's just move on further. It is asking for many other details. All of these details are not required, so you can leave it as blank. Now for the keys, just switch on this mapping button, delete whatever is written right over here, and then click on this save and send test request button. But before we click on the save and send test request, I'll just replace this dummy phone number with the original phone number so that I can show the message and the response received. You don't have to replace this because you're going to receive the real lead details. Okay, now let's just click on the save and send test request button, and you're going to see we have received the positive response that we have successfully sent a message. So let's just open our WhatsApp, and you're going to see this message is sent successfully. Not only this, but now whenever someone is going to submit this form, instantly an automated WhatsApp message like this will be sent towards them. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For a reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out and create this for your own business. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.